Welcome to the Adelkamin video tutorials. In this video, we will see the new Wi-Fi AGUA module and the related app. The new Wi-Fi AGUA module may be natively present on the purchased product or can be purchased separately as an optional accessory. Inside the box, we find the serial cable to connect the module from the back of the stove via RS-232, the serial cable to connect the module directly to the electronic board. This 4-pin connector can also power the module, so no external power supply is needed. The external power cable only needed when connecting the module via RS-232 on the back of the stove. This is the AGUA Wi-Fi module. On the back, we find the QR code, MAC address, and various information to connect the EK Home app. To download the app, available on both Android and iPhone, go to the store and search for EK Home. Once installation is complete, open the app and give the required consents. A notice is shown stating that the only compatible networks are 2.4 GHz ones. If you only have 5 GHz networks, contact your network operator. To start using the app, create an account or log in to yours if you already have one. To create one, click on Register. Enter your email and create a password of at least 12 characters. Once done, click on Continue. Accept the privacy policy and click Continue. Now we need to verify the account. Enter the credentials just created and click Login. A code will then be sent to the registration email. Check your email for the code. Enter the code received by email and click OK. We proceed with the connection by clicking Add Device. To make the connection, simply click this symbol showing the QR code. Scan the QR code on the back of the device to automatically read the data or enter it manually. During the first configuration, you will be asked to enter the product serial number found on the label on the back of the product or in the warranty booklet. Select the product from the list. We see a summary of the information just entered. Click Save. Enter the name to assign to the stove. Allow access to location. Now let's move on to configuring the home Wi-Fi network. Select your home modem. Enter the related password. By clicking Complete Registration, we have finished configuring our module and are ready to use the app. On this main screen, in addition to the ability to turn the product on and off via the power button, we can see real values on the product, such as room temperature, flue temperature, water temperature, power, etc. By clicking the pencil icon, we open a menu where we can change the values. Power to change the working power. Room temp to set the room temperature to reach. Water temp to set the temperature the water must reach. Draft regulation allows me to increase or decrease the flame speed. Increasing makes the flame stronger, decreasing makes it softer or gentler. Pellet regulation allows me to increase or decrease the flame power to adapt to the type of pellet used and the flue draft. Increasing the value will increase the pellet load and therefore the related consumption. By clicking the eye, we see some instantaneous real-time values. By clicking the timer, we can set the time programming. By enabling the Chrono Enable, we activate daily programming and can modify the time slots. We have 4 time slots highlighted in 4 different colors. For each slot, we can set the start and end time for each day of the week. Click Save. This procedure can be repeated for the other 3 slots as well. To activate the weekly schedule, click on Set Enable Week. Going back to the main menu, by clicking on the Settings icon, we access other useful settings such as Network Settings to change the network the module connects to, change the device name, acquire a new saved location for the device, set date and time, assistance code to view the MAC address of the Wi-Fi module, change Wi-Fi module to configure a new module, removing the current one, remove device to remove the current device from the app. At the top left, we have the Wi-Fi icon, which indicates we are communicating via Wi-Fi. By holding it down, you switch to Bluetooth mode. Conversely, if you hold down the Bluetooth symbol, it will switch to Wi-Fi mode. The same operation can be done by clicking the person icon at the top right via Switch to Local mode. In this menu, we can also add a new device to manage more than one from the same app. It is also possible to configure the same Wi-Fi module on multiple different phones. Thank you for your attention.